Hello dear student, welcome back to my channel D Labs. Today in this lecture, I will discuss you MCQ practice series of programmable logic controller. This subject is very important for instrumentation and control engineer, electronic engineer and electrical engineer for competitive exam. From this subject, in competitive exam, multi-number of questions will be asked. Today I will discuss part 1. In this part 1, there are the total 20 questions there. I will discuss each and every one by one. If you not subscribe our channel D Labs, please subscribe it for more upcoming videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Now question number 1. An IEC 61131-3. IEC means what? Option A, instrumentation, electronic communication. B, International Electronic Commission. C, International Electrotechnical Commission. And D, none of these. The answer is C number, that is a International Electrotechnical Commission. Now question number 2. PLC means option A, programmable ladle control. B, peripheral logic controller. C, programmable logic controller. And D, pneumatic logic controller. The answer is programmable logic controller, that is option number C. Now third question. PLC programming languages are included in which section? That is IEC 61131-1, B number IEC 61131-5, C number IEC 61131-4 and D number IEC 61131-3. The answer is D, that is IEC 61131-3. And IEC 61131 have different subsection, that is a section number 1 to 5. Among them, IEC 61131-3 section, the PLC programming are classified. In this case, there are a total 5 programming languages for PLCs are available. First one, ladder diagram or ladder logic, that is called LD. Second one, functional block diagram, FBD. Third one, sequential function chart, that is a SFC. Fourth one, structure text, that is a ST. And last one, IL, that is a instruction list. PLC communication is included in option A, IEC 61131-2, B, IEC 61131-3, C, IEC 61131-4 and D, IEC 61131-5. The answer is D, that is IEC 61131-5. Which of the following is not graphical programming language for PLC? A. Ladder diagram, that is a LD or ladder logic. B. Function block diagram, FBD. C. Sequential flow chart, SFC. D. Structure text, ST. The answer is option number D, that is a structured text. Here, the option A, B, and C, these three languages are considered as a graphical programming, and D number is not based on the graphical programming, they are based on the structured text. Unitary PLC has blank inputs and blank outputs. Option A 10, 10, B 20, 12, option C 12, 20, option D 10, 20. The answer is B, that is 20 inputs, 12 outputs. The small PLC has blank inputs and outputs pins. Option A 20, option B 50, option C 128, option D 256. The answer is 128. The PLC are classified into different number of categories with respect to pin and memory size. They are classified into nano PLC, small PLC, micro PLC, medium PLC, and large PLC. And each and every category, input and output pin configuration of PLC are different. For 16-bit register, the largest integer number a PLC counter function can reach. Option A 32,767, option B 32,768, option C 65,535, option D 65,536. The answer is 65,535. See, as a solution point of view, here n is equal to 16 bit, that is the bits are 16. So, as per equation 2 raised to n minus 1, so is equal to 2 raised to 16 minus 1. 2 raised to 16 is equal to 65,536 minus 1. So, the answer is 65,535. 9. Ladder logic programming consists primarily of option A. Relay contacts and coils, option B. Logic gates, symbols and connecting lines, option C. Virtual relay contacts and coils, option D. Functional blocks and connecting lines. The answer is virtual relay contacts and coils. Question number 10. The full name of SCADA is option A. supervisory control and data acquisition. Option B, selective control and data acquisition. Option C, supervisory control and distributed acquisition. Option D, none of these. The answer is supervisory control and data acquisition. By using help of SCADA, we can control as well as monitor the different parameter of the process. So the answer is A. Please like, share and subscribe our channel D Edu Labs. Thank you for watching.